abafethu sinibambe njenge post match interview fast yabo. So manje cela ukudlala igame yepiano versus hip hop. Ipiano balihlabile abafethu niyazi. Balihlabile ipiano 2-1 but ke uzositshela umkhawuzazi ukuthi ikhambeni kule game. Nje mawusitshela usiprive fast ngegame. So since indliwe kanje yini into ongathanda ukuyilungisa khambeni.
Ama mistake nyana amancane mngana mesigubhini yabo. Siyibonile namhlanje akumele every time uthi so winner next time ngoba uyogcina sodliwa ama game ayi20 yabo but asowalungisa endlini sobuya futhi strong ungawaka silungise lapha esigubhini but otherwise ngihappy ngabajita abadlalile too much
so nje benidlala nabo abajita ngifuna abantu ababukela ivideo bakene ukuthi ubani umuntu onhluphayo ubani onika inkinga yabo because since nami udlala egroundini ubani iplan elingayi tough time ku hip hop
Sweet Guluve Sweet Guluve yadlala
nami
Sweet Guluve yalithinta just akana moya mele ajime ukuthi adlele 90 minutes mara yadlala too much
izwile bathini ngecrush yenu mantombazana crush yenu
ayibhola vele jo ulazela ibhola sweet jo
mangadlala thothi mangadlala ka
etangi imoto kancane ne askis mara ya Sweet Guluve afethu Sweet Guluve too much angifuna ukucamba manga uyambona ukuthi beka ne posture mfana uyabona mfana ukuthi lo muntu bekadlala ibhola
sure so ngaphandle kwe midfielder yenu yini into menishota ngayo because I don't think nalapha emuva mina is a grand
echo thina siphelele jo yabo it's just that ukuthi kumele understand ukuthi sometimes singama artists abanye abantu understand ukuthi ibhola yabona thina singama artists and sometimes dlala nabanye abantu abadlalile ibhola yabona so thina siyithatha njengebhola like sama emotions inini sigcina singasakwazi nokucommunicate but into ezincane jo ma mistake nyana few so alungisa lapha emuva ungawaki
so cause ngiyacava ekasi abantu bayithanda lento eniyenzayo ukudlala idisc angithola abanlandelela ku music kuphela abanlandelela nasema groundini so ngingathanda ukuthi umuntu obukela kuyena le into ezikanje next time nezihostela va
mngani wami cause vele sikhuluma prior yabo bese host understand angeke ngithi so hostela la vie okanjani sizama vele ukuthi siround amakasi ahlukile yabo because asifuni ukuthi space in Soweto space eDavidson or space kubuku ukuthi sikwazi ukuyispreada wonke amakasi yabona njenga namhlanje Soweto maybe inini sizabe siyangazi maka ya into enjalo
Lethe nathi abo cameraman asinganishaka buhlungu ngapi
ngenduwe niyashutha niyo nishoot igame yonke nishoot thina siyadlala ndoda
bethe abavino snap mina aboselula
vino
mina ngikwazi ugoalkeeper ekhasi umuntu lo mina ngimaza ugoalkeeper ekhasi bafethu
obvious but if you can't dance you can't play football you can play everywhere
mara sinzwe umdlala phakathi
mina ngidlala phakathi athi ukuvimba ngiyakwazi
akena kuba mubavimbe mongeke ndliwe
into engishoyo angithola but ngabe bengingekho phakathi bengeke badlala bengeba makhele wingini you understand so yabona ibhola sometimes imele ubalance
so umkhawuzazi playmaker kahle kahle
into efana naleyo angifuni ukuzinika but into efana naleyo yabo boma shadow striker uyazazi into efana nalezo yeah
wena umkhawuzazi uthanda bani ebholweni wena
ngikutshelile mngani wami mina ukuthi mina ngithanda intwana zangapha uyamkena
ucipho wasekasami engidlala naye
mina umngani wami
ngiyakela semkamba
nje ke hayibo yabona ke lezi hayi every position uyazi
ngaphandle kwacipha ubani umuntu nokufavorite player yakho
awudla mina noma ngingafavor Pirate maka izinja lezi shenko
kasi ayisho ngoba ngathi promote Davidson la cause every time
promote maka ngibukela ibhola mina mngani wami yabo like ibhola mngani wami
into ezincane zikuthanda
mnandi Shevchenko
star
thank you
bayi bangamdlalisi mara ayike bathi ngikhuluma kakhulu
yeah
yabo siva yabo into ezincane zikuthanda kanjani yabo into ezincane zikuthanda kanjani any word of the day for the zone
meleze esikolweni njengathi sile esikolweni nje noma abazali abasikhohlisi khona into emeli uyifunde esikolweni asiyazi nathi mara uyoyifunda la uzoyibona after life right so into mina esikolweni bafethu no ufuna grade bani 6 uzopasa this year ya grade bani 7 sharp ngena la esikolweni kuphela bafethu so when after school
yini into ongathanda ukuyisho ntwana yami kumkhawuzaza
haya mina into engifuna ukuyisho ngifuna ukuyisho next
at least ngithola ichance ukukhuluma naye yabo zwakala yabo at least ukukhuluma naye ufuna ukuthini kumkhawuzaza
mina ngithanda khawuzaza mina ngakuthanda ngifuna ukufana nawe
bafana nami ube ntwana yami
shesho
bafana okay
mina into engizomtshela umkhawuzaza ukuthi makachubeke into akuyi
boyine okay bafethu sepini ngiyabonga ne asibangene lapha bayasirasela abo coach mfethu ayisobukela ne final bafethu
mara sazohlangana sazodlala nani eyizodonsa sheke